Draymond attacking. Draymond to the rim to lay it up and in.
He went underneath with the right hand. Secondary contact.
Shot clock at 4. Beautifully done. Looney rolling, and KD had 2 men jump at him.
I told you, this team they play a lot of people, they get a big boost from the bench. How about Livingston?
Banking it home and drawing the foul. Klay, there you go. Through all that attention, and Iguodala spikes it with the right hand. Quickest man of the ball. 2-on-1 if they hurry. And it's Draymond to lay it up and in. At Iguodala. He's got Durant finishing.
Perfect,
he had Klay in the corner, but he waited for the trail. They're going to need somebody else. Damian Jones, good spike. They have numbers. And Klay reversing it. Beautifully done.
Get it down. You've got advantage here.
Iguodala right down the lane. Lou Williams was not going to get in the way of that.
And they made him take a tough shot.
Klay to tie the game, and he got it!
I guess that's why he keeps shooting.
Durant to the crossover. Gets it into Looney. Shot clock at 3. Iguodala's open. His 3 is good!
I like him shooting that better than the free throws after time.